Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Blue Hawaiian. So let's make a Blue Hawaiian. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our rum. 1.5 ounces of white rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. And we're going to put that in our shaker. Next, Blue Curaçao. 75 or 0.75, 3/4 of an ounce of Blue Curaçao, which is 22.5 milliliters. Pineapple juice, 2 ounces of fresh squeezed pineapple juice, 60 milliliters. Coconut syrup or cream of coconut. I do make my own coconut syrup. If you'd like to try that recipe, it is here on the channel. I'm going to put in 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. Optional ingredient, fresh squeezed lime juice or fresh squeezed lemon juice. I like mine a little bit tartar, so I'm going to put in 1/4 of an ounce, which is 0.75 milliliters of fresh squeezed lime juice. Adjust that one to taste. Now I'm going to get my ice. Now that I have my ice, I'm going to put some in the shaker. And I'm going to give it a shake. I'm going to let this sit just a moment as I add some ice into my Collins glass. And like I said, there's a lot of variants, so you don't have to use a Collins glass. Use one that works for you. And I'm going to strain this into the Collins glass. Oh, and this one did turn out blue. Look at that. Well, I could have done with one more ice cube. Straw. And garnish. A very traditional garnish for these are cherries and pineapple. So that's what I've got there. There you have it. A Blue Hawaiian. Drink with good spirits.